Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. How you doing? I wanted to share with you a new way that I've learned about to potentially make money when the market is going down. I just learned about this and really got training on it. And it's funny, I get training from my son who's 18, but hey, you teach your kids and they go beyond you and then they learn stuff that you don't know and then they turn around and teach you. So it's a wonderful thing. So anyway, he said that on Poloniex there is a way for you to make money when the market is going down. It's called margin trading. Okay. And so what happens is click on margin trading and the options are here: buy, stop limit, and sell. So what happens is you can click sell if you think that, in this case LTC, if you think it's going to go down, right? Or we're in a down market, a bear market, and you think it's going to continue going down. You basically would now mind you, this price is already in there. You can change it if you want, but if you want an immediate order to be submitted and accepted, you leave this here. Okay, and then you can do the amount that's there. You click this and it populates here. This populates automatically and this populates automatically, and you click margin sale. All right, now mind you, I'm just showing you how to do this, but of course we have to do our research before we do all this. We have to check all our charts, all of our graphs, multiple chart analysis to see if it's a good time to do that. So for instance, if this let's say it goes all the way up here, all right, and you're like, okay, that's a high, I think it's going to go down. So if you had done what I just showed you how to do right here at this point, and then waited until it got down to here, and then closed out that position that you just opened up, you would have made money. Okay, because you bought it at a, you sold it at a high, and then you bought it back at a low. All right, so when you are doing the opposite, which is, let me slide back down, when you're doing the opposite of selling it, you have to sell it at a high price and then wait for it to go down, because that's your expectation. You expect it to go down because the market is bad. Okay, so you sell it at a high price and then you turn around and buy it again, or in this case close out your position when it goes down. Okay, so I just want to show you real quick exactly what he taught me how to do. So the first thing you do is you transfer whatever coin you have into here. Okay, so you can do Bitcoin, you can do Litecoin, you can do Ethereum. Now what he made sure to let me know is to try to do Litecoin, because there's some probably more fees or more trouble with Ethereum, and we all know Bitcoin transactions are kind of slow anyway. So Litecoin is fast, and that's what I've been using a lot anyway. Whenever I want to send money, I use Litecoin because it shows up within, let's say, 2 minutes, and then the confirmations are completely done by 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So I've started using Litecoin whenever I'm trying to send money here or there, whatever. Okay, so anyway, so once I sent the money here, once I clicked deposit and I got the address, you click deposit. All right, and you do Litecoin, click here. Wait, I didn't want to go to the chart, my bad. Let me go back to that. Oh, there we go. Okay, so once you do this, this is the address. All right, so you copy and paste this and you put this address into the area, not the area, into the account that you already have your Litecoin at. So if your Litecoin is sitting in Coinbase, this is the address that you put into Coinbase, and then once you do that, you deposit it and you send it to Poloniex. All right, so now you wait, make sure that your coins are here. I'm gonna go back to transfer balances. So once you do that, you wait your 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever it was, wait for your coins to appear. So they will appear here. Then you're going to go through this little thing right here. So you're going to put, I've already done it, but I'm going to show you what I did do. So I put LTC, and, oh, wait. That's not right. I go right here. And my LTC. And I would transfer, the amount. So in this case, I had 3.9 or whatever it was. So I put in that amount here. Sorry about that. Choose LTC. and I'm going to take it from exchange, which it was sitting right here. It was sitting in this particular area. From exchange account to margin account, which is here. And I did that, and I clicked transfer. And then somewhat immediately, the money that was sitting here is put over into here. Okay? And once you have it there, then you're able to go ahead and start, click here, margin trading, back to what I showed you initially. And then, like I said, all you have to do is do your analysis and checking your charts to make sure it's a good time for you to do this particular strategy. He also showed me Trading View, which is the tool that he uses. So let's say we do Litecoin to Bitcoin, and we pick the specific, there it is, we pick the specific exchange. That's Litecoin to USDT. So let me go down, see if I can find Poloniex. There it is, Litecoin to Bitcoin on Poloniex, because that's what we're working with. So you click on that, and then you click here for interactive chart. All right, and now we can see the chart history for this particular coin. All right, and we can do an analysis of it. I call it multiple chart analysis. So here is the chart at 2 hours. You can change the chart to 45 minutes. You can change the chart to 1 minute. You can change the chart to 1 day. All right, so this is what you're looking for to see when you should get into a coin and when you should not get into a coin. All right, so right now I don't think I would get into a coin because it's kind of leveling right now. And when you want to get into a trade, you want to make sure that it's at one of the extremes, because you have a better guess or a better bet that if you get it at an extreme. So for instance, it's kind of moving sideways here. I would say, okay, great. If I think that we are in a market that is starting to go up, then I want to get in if it ever dropped down to here. Okay, so if it ever dropped down to here, I would be like, that's a good place for me to get it. And now I'm going to ride it up because I think everything is going to go up. On the flip side, if we're in a bear market, so let's go back a little bit. All right. And this is a perfect case of that. Okay, so it was going sideways for a little while, and then let me get rid of this. It was going sideways for a little while, and then it went down. And if I was able to get in here, I would ride the wave on up, and I'd make my money here. Okay, the other side of that is it went up here. It went way up here. You were able, and if you were able to get in at this point and you think the market is going to go down, you would go ahead and do a margin trade selling. You would get in here, sell here, and then you would close out way down here, and you would make your money from this movement down. Okay? So anyway, this is the kind of analysis that you need to do when you're looking at a chart. You need to figure out the different time frames, multiple time frame analysis. So you look at 1 day, you look at 4 hours, you look at 1 hour, you look at all of these different time frames, and then you can make a good decision, a more solid decision on if you want to take the trade and where you should take the trade at. Okay, so once you do all this, and I'm going to move it forward, I grab it and slide it on over. Okay, to where we are, and at the 1 day chart, it's here again. I don't think it's in a good spot, so I would wait till it comes way down, maybe to here. And you know, of course, I don't know where it's going to go, but I would just say, okay, I think if I could get it down here and ride the wave up, I think that would be a good bet. Okay, so all right, so I just wanted to show you a different way to make money if you're just learning how to trade. This is a way for you to trade in a down market. So the past week or so, when everything was tanking and was going down, that strategy would have been an awesome strategy all of last week. Okay, so now you have another tool in your tool belt for you to be able to make money in cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency trading. All right, so that's it for now, and you guys have an awesome one. Let's see, click here, click sell. Oh, no, click here, and then you do it. Okay. All right, have a good one. Take care now.